Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 10.3 question number 1. Construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 cm, DF is equal to 3 cm and angle of measure of angle DEDF is equal to 90 degree. First of all, we will draw a rough triangle. First of all, we draw a rough triangle. To find, suppose this is a rough triangle. This triangle DEF, measure of angle EDF, EDF. This is E, this is D, this is F. This is 90 degree, right? And angle DE is equal to 5 centimeter, and DF is equal to 3 centimeter, right? Let us construct the triangle DF. First of all, what if you do? Take First of all, take a ruler. With the help of this ruler, you take 3 centimeter line. That is, starting from 0. It is 3 centimeter line, right? Now, this is DF. Write the name. That is, it is D and it is F. It is 3 centimeter. It is 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Right? Now draw a right angle triangle at point D. Right? Draw a right angle triangle at point D with the help of a compass. Let us take a compass here and draw right angle at angle D at the point D. With this pointer, move this pointer at the point D, right? And draw an arc like this. Like you draw an arc with this pointer at this point, draw one arc that will make an angle of 60 degree. Draw one arc, right? And this point, from this point, take this point here and take another arc, right? Take another arc. Taking this pointer here, take another arc. Right? Take this point here at this point and take another arc, that is from here at this point, take another arc here, right? Now with this pointer, Take an arc again. From this pointer, take a 90-degree. Right? Now we'll draw this 90-degree with the help of a scale. Now draw the side of 90-degree, that is this one. Draw this side. Now this is 90-degree. Right? This is 90-degree, and this is DF is 5 centimeter. Draw 5 centimeter. Cut a line 5 centimeter from point D point. Right? Let us take this one at 0 point, at point 0, and take 5 centimeter. Right? Let us take 5 centimeter. Right? This is exactly 5 centimeter. Right? Now with this pointer, take this pointer at D point and draw one arc to cut the line 5 centimeter. To cut the line 5 centimeter. Right? Take this pointer here at point D and take 5 centimeter. Right? You've taken this point as 5 centimeter. Right? Now if you join this is point E, join EF. If you join this point, then we are getting the triangle. Draw this triangle. Right? Now draw this one. right? This is the required angle, and if we write the various name, we will get I see. If we draw here, this is E, this is E point, this is E, right? Here you get that DF is 3 centimeter, DE is 5 centimeter, D is 5 centimeter, and this angle is 90 degree. Here you see this is 90 degree, right? I see here that it is given that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, DF is equal to 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and measure of angle EDF, EDF, EDF is equal to 90 degree. This is the required triangle. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.